What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make limb risers for your Jeep. So let's head over to Lowe's and see what we can find. Alright, so we arrived at Lowe's. You guys can just wait here. I'm going to run in, see what I can find, and I'll show you when I get out. Okay guys, I am now leaving Lowe's. My total came to $28.56, and let's check out what I got. So I got this. It's a pack of, it's actually a wire rope kit. It's vinyl coating, so hopefully it will stop some rust. And it comes with 30 feet of the cable, 2 timbals, and 6 clamps. I got 2 turnbuckles. I got 4 more timbals just because I want it to be nice and neat when I fold the wire over and clamp it. And lastly, I got a 2-pack of T-plates, which I'm going to paint and modify for where the hood latches go to connect it from the hood latches to the light bar. Alright guys, let's head home and start the install. So before we start installing and taking the stickers off the items, I just wanted to point out that they do say weather guard on them on multiple of the different packaging of stuff I bought. So hopefully that helps withstand the elements. And also everything that I purchased at Lowe's was all in the hardware section of aisle 16. If you want to go get them yourself, that's where you can find them. Okay, for the first step, where these 2 bolts are for your hood latches on both sides, you're going to mark where those holes line up on your T-plate, and then you're going to drill them out. As you can see, we went ahead and drilled out the hole on both of them and removed the hood latch and inserted it through. Now you will put it back into the holes and roughly see about halfway between the 2 holes that are on the T-plate right there and there, and form a bend. Okay guys, I got the bend in there using a pair of vice grips and pliers. Now I'm going to cut right here and here off of the T-plate. Now that these are all cut where they're supposed to be, I used a cut-off wheel. If you do not have that, you can use a simple pair of vice grips and a plier. But now that they're both mounted up on both sides, you're going to measure from here to your light bar. If you do not have a light bar, you could bend another T-plate and mount it inside the door surround with one part coming out, and you could attach to that. Alright, so let's get this cut. Okay, so I cut both to about 75 inches and attached them to the top using the cable nut, as you can see. And I did that on both sides, and I just laid it across here for now. Our next step is to go ahead and attach the turnbuckles. So we're going to cut about 15 inches more of cable for each side. Okay, so we got that other piece of cable mounted up to there with the cable clamp, and mount up to the turnbuckle with the cable clamp. The last and final step will be attaching that cable to that turnbuckle, making it tight, and tighten it down with the cable clamp. Alright guys, so this side is now connected as well, but I made a slight mistake and realized that I forgot to purchase 2 more of these clamps. So I am going to return these because I ended up not using them and go pick up the clamps. Okay, so I made it back with the 2 clamps and I got it all tightened up. Okay, so I made it back with the 2 clamps and I got it all tightened up. Alrighty guys, so this is how it looks at the end. I have cut off the excess and I tightened the turnbuckles, and this is the end result. And this is what it looks like from the inside. Alrighty guys, so that is the DIY installation of the limb risers. All these parts could be found in aisle 15, not 16 as earlier previously mentioned in the video, so my bad on that. But I will include the complete parts list of the things that I ended up needing and take away the stuff that I brought back. It actually came out to $2 cheaper, so it only came to $24, $25 if you want to round up. But the complete list of all the parts will be right on the screen. So those were all the parts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.